Hello, Yarnies. This is just a pop in from your baby boomer from the peninsula in Virginia, Kitty Lane. I guess you all can see I feel better. I've been out taking care of business today. Let the wind blow in my hair. And hopefully we got some volume back. I did a lot of playing around with this Chromebook thing, and hopefully we got some back. So today, the third number was drawn for Luck of the Draw. I have not had a chance to work on anything today. I frogged this last night and restarted it last night. That's about an hour's worth of work. So I guess it's safe to say that I'm getting this knitting thing down, and I'm really enjoying it. This is one where when I make mistakes, I can go back and correct it. And I had made a few mistakes, so I went back and corrected it. The other one, the one that I first started, that my daughter said, no, you will not go back and correct. You will leave it like it is, and it will be mine. It is still like it. Y'all haven't seen it. Y'all sure y'all haven't seen how long it is? And still unrolling. And still unrolling. And still unrolling. And still unrolling. Yes. I have cut off here. I will be adding my red. And then from there, it will be denim. But yeah, I'm happy that I have volume back. And I want to talk to y'all a little bit, just a little bit. I'm not going to keep y'all long at all today. Like I said, the third color, yes, has been drawn for Luck of the Draw. You want to know about Luck of the Draw, please go visit Mama Swiss or Jaxie or Juan. I'll tell you the best I can. Or Mama C. Yes. They know all the things. I'm a baby at this. This is my first time doing it. And apparently this is the 10th Luck of the Draw. But like I said, this is my first time. I'm really a newbie at this, and I'm so into it that I have 9 Luck of the Draw projects. So see how neatly it rolls up. Also, this one, y'all, as much as I love it, it's gonna be frogged. It's going to be frogged. I didn't have anybody in mind. I basically started this because my grandkids had a sweetheart dance. I wanted to, and I couldn't be a chaperone. I had to sit somewhere separate from them, and I needed something to do, and I didn't want to carry what I already had. So I grabbed a skein of yarn and 2 knit needles, and that's how that one started. And then when I was playing around with it, I wanted to see if I could do a design in it, and I was able to do it. So now I know my capabilities. So that's what that was about. But it is going to be frogged. The knitting goes over here. I have 10 hats for Jeanette Egan. And also want to show you guys some happy mail. I got happy mail. No. Forget that part. Y'all know I'm not petty like that. First of all, I got a dynamite pad. Yo, this will go perfect in my pouch on my scooter. I have a legal pad in there, but when I need to make quick little notes, this will be perfect. Also, isn't that the cutest? This is the only time I'm not afraid of mice. As long as they're on a card or in a picture or something, even on TV. But when in person, you won't see me. And I'm not going to show you what was written. I'll show you what I got. Y'all, look at that stitch marker. I look at all these stitch markers that they have going on, and I'm like, wow. I mean, I have even considered trying to make stitch markers, because the ones that I have purchased are like use, what's a number that rhymes with guard? Okay. I won't do it that way. But the stitch markers that I get and have used are not worth purchasing. I mean, I got one that I thought was a really good deal. I got like 1,000 for $5, and I think I may have 20 of those left, and I just bought those last year. It's like you use them twice and they break. They just, like they're dry rotted or something. And I want heavy duty. The only ones I got some yarn from Temu one time, and it was purple yarn, and it was 6 skeins with 6 little balls, and each ball came with a stitch marker. It was a purple heavy duty stitch marker, and I still have those. I thought that was awesome. I can't stay up here too long with y'all because I got a baby getting off the bus soon. But yeah, but I wanted to jump on here and let you all know I will be back later to show you all the luck of the draw update, because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be working on something. I probably won't be able to get started until maybe 4 o'clock, and my cutoff time is midnight for this week, I guess, because I'm really trying to start going to bed earlier. Last night I made it by midnight, but it's just, I need rest. I need rest. I feel so much better when I wake up and I've rested. So I'm going to get ready to go get my munchkin, my little man. The little girl got a meeting this evening, so it'll just be the little man today. And I already got his snack already ready for him. So I will see you guys later. Don't forget to love yourselves, because self-love is the greatest love after all. And you can't love others the way they deserve to be loved unless you first love yourself the way you deserve to be loved. You deserve the best. Don't forget Kitty Lane told you. Don't forget Kitty Lane loves you. So until we see each other again on these YouTube streets, peace.